Hello guys, today we prepare a candied tomatoes. Spectacular and perfect with the cheese, for example, to add something more to your salad and stuff like that. But now let's see the intro. For this recipe I will use 400 grams of tomatoes. You can use the small tomatoes that you like it. This is called queen tomatoes. This one I don't know. Every country they call the tomatoes in different ways. But I will use the yellow one and the red one. The important that they are small. If you use 400 grams of tomatoes, you need 400 grams of sugar and 400 ml of water. Now we put the sugar in the water, the pot on the fire. When the sugar starts boiling, we add the cherry tomatoes and we cook more or less 5-10 minutes. Now I'll show you. After 10 minutes, we have covered with the lid and we have removed the pot from the fire. Now we should keep like this for at least 12 hours, because we should wait that the syrup, the sugar with the water, become cold. Keep attention, because now it's very hot, so you should put the pot in a place where nobody can touch it, because if you touch it, you will remember for a long time. Okay, see you tomorrow morning to put again the pot on the fire. After 12 hours they are cold. Now we put again on the stove, we turn off the stove and we boil them 5 minutes. After we cover again with the lid and we wait other 12 hours. After 12 hours they are cold, so now we can put again on the fire. Don't worry, it's the last time. On the fire, when they boil, we can cover and wait that they cool down again. After we can remove from the syrup, but I'll show you later. After 5 hours, our cherry tomatoes are cold. Now we should remove the syrup. So I will put the tomato inside here, so the syrup fall down in this plastic container. And after maybe 10 minutes, we can remove them and put on the baking paper upon this baking pot. And after we should wait that they dry a little bit. I don't know the time now, I will tell you later, because depend of the seasons, the humidity and so on. After that I put them on the baking pot. I put the pot under the sun for 1 day. Don't worry, no flies came to eat our candied tomatoes. And after I put in a jar like this. When you close, you can keep it until you need it. So now I will put all the tomatoes in the jar and see you later for the tasting. Spectacular, because the soft and the sweet of the tomato with the hard cheese, they are perfect. Very soon I will test them with my goat cheese that is maturing in the fridge. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. This stuff surely will be perfect with my strawberry wine, but I have already finished. Sorry. Bye bye.